Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix location sharing enable on this device with maps on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on location. After click on location, click on app permission and click on map. If you want to fix this problem, so click on allow all the time and again click on maps and click on allow all the time. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix location sharing enable on this device with maps on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.